Today I'm going to show you how to attach your faux fur pom to the top of your hat with a button. All you need is a tapestry needle. You can get these at Michael's, Joann's, Amazon, pretty much anywhere. So to start out, you want to thread your needle. I like to put my hand in the hat to help grab a hold of the string. So you want to go thread it through the top of the hat and pull down. Repeat with the other side. When I go in, I hold the other string so it keeps it from falling out of the hat. And you find another spot, pull it through. And then once you have the pom where you like, I like to use these buttons. I get them off of Etsy. I like the ones with these holes. I think they're easier to thread than your standard button. Just thread like that. Now when I tie the pom to the hat, I like to loop it through twice. So I go through once and again, and then pull. And that just makes it really tight. And then you tie your bow. I just double it again. There you go. Your pom is on your hat and it's not going to go anywhere. It's pretty secure up there. And then to remove it, same thing. Just undo your knots. Take the pom out. There you go. I find that attaching poms this way is a lot easier. It takes less time from a maker's point and from a buyer's point. They have the option to wear it without a pom. They have the option of buying another pom to, swap it out if they want like a gray one or a white one. And it's easier to wash too, if they need to wash the hat. But I don't know, I prefer adding poms this way, and these buttons just make a world of a difference. I will link the shop that I get these from down in this description, and I hope that helped.